Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you Benefit Cosmetics' brand new The POREfessional Super Setter Pore Minimizing Setting Spray. I definitely needed this and it came right at the perfect time. Now what this is a microfine mist that locks on makeup for up to 16 hours of wear. It instantly and visibly blurs pores and leaves skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. It comes in this blue bottle and you can get it in a 4-ounce size, which retails for $32, or the mini size, which is a 1 ounce, for $15. And you can purchase this at Ulta, Sephora, BenefitCosmetics.com. And it is in recyclable packaging. But let's go ahead and try it. I've already applied all of my makeup, just need to set it, and from the suggested usage, it does say to shake well, which you saw, and hold it 8 inches from my face and mist it evenly all over. So that's what I'm going to do right here. As you can see, the mist is super fine, but does apply a lot of it at the same time, so it's kind of perfect. It submerged my whole entire face in water evenly. I do want to mention that this setting spray is alcohol free, waterproof, smudge proof, and fade proof, and has an instant mattifying effect. Also, I did have a initial kind of tingly feeling, but it is so amazing that I don't mind that. So that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I love this brand new product by Benefit. Can't wait to see what they come up with next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other playlists like my Benefit Club Pink playlist with all the Benefit products. And I'm, again, obsessed with this new product. I have been using it a lot lately, and that was my video. Bye, guys.